Welcome to the OMBEA tutorials. In this tutorial, you will build your first interactive polling slide. To get started, we need the OMBEA response software installed and running within our Microsoft PowerPoint on our computer. When we launch OMBEA response, we see PowerPoint open with this toolbar visible. This is the OMBEA response toolbar, and it is used to control everything related to our interactive polling slides. To build an interactive slide, we click on the first button on the left, New. You will see that OMBEA has created a new PowerPoint slide for us with a few key elements that make it interactive. Here is a space to type in our question. This is where we will enter up to 10 multiple choice answer options. This is the results chart. It contains just one bar at the moment, but will update once we have typed in a question and some answer options. Let's get started by clicking here and typing a question. It's a good idea to start questions with open question words such as who, what, why, where, when or how. Once we are happy with our question, we click here to start typing in the answer options we would like to present to our group. We hit the Enter key after each option to start a new one. Now we click somewhere outside the text box and the chart automatically updates to reflect the answer choices we provided. That's it! Now you know how to create an interactive slide with OMBEA. There are more tutorials and guides on our website that will show you how to run your slides and make more advanced adjustments, so feel free to check those out now.